You might have seen a new icon showing up almost everywhere lately. On your Windows taskbar, in apps like Word, PowerPoint, and Teams, even in your Edge browser, and most recently on your keyboard. But what exactly is this icon, and should you start using it in your daily work or not? Hi, I am Philex, and today we will explore how Microsoft Copilot can help you work smarter and faster, whether you are writing emails, creating documents, or handling data. Copilot is designed to assist you and make your task easier. Let's take a look at how it can enhance your workflow. First, what exactly is a Copilot, and what can it do for you? To find out, who can answer me, that is Copilot itself. To access it, head over to copilotmicrosoft.com, which you can see here, right, and press the enter. And you can also access it from the Windows taskbar. So if I just go and click on it here, the Copilot will be open up on my screen. Same way, I can also access it from my search bar, Copilot. Right? So now let's go and click on Get Started. Once Copilot is open, you can type in your prompt at the bottom, either a question or a request. For instance, I type in what is Microsoft Copilot. By the way, you can also use your microphone to ask your question. After submitting it, Copilot generally responded. But this is the latest new update here, so Microsoft Copilot can also answer you orally. So you can choose what kind of voice Microsoft Pilot can get. So for me, it should be just a wave here, and click on next. Right. Now let me type the prompt once again and hit the enter bar. Now the Microsoft will be answer me. Copilot responded explaining that it's my everyday AI companion by Microsoft. My goal is to have meaningful and engaging conversation, providing helpful information, and just maybe brighten your day a bit. So what shall we dive into first? You can continue the conversation however you like by asking follow-up question, and it will remember the context of your previous interaction, which you have done. Let's try something else here. What are 5 interesting ways to use Copilot? And here you can see these are some of the cool ideas given by the Copilot itself: a writing buddy, learning companion, travel planner, cooking assistant, life coach, and there are many more. You can also reset the conversation by just go and click on new topic. But to use it properly, we should sign in here. So I will just go and click on sign in on the top right bar. Now once you sign in into your Copilot, you will see there's a lot of options. You can change the voice, language, theme, and you can sign out. Now here in the bottom middle, you will see the history, the conversation which we did here. Now this is a start new chat. So for example, if you want to move to a different chat here, you can just go and click on start new chat here. Beside that, there's an option of plus icon here. I can upload the images, a PDF, and I can ask them to summarize or ask several questions depending upon whatever I submitted here. Now if I just go and click on Copilot logo here, you can see here it's great to see me back here, and it will just give me a different kind of things. For example, Americans card loan debt and more. So this is a kind of news, and I can always listen this to here. Now this is here I can change the voice, right, and as well as there will be a caption available. Now let's get back to our Copilot here. So I will just go and click on plus icon. Now let's just go and click on here and click on this one and start a new conversation. So far we have focused on a text responses, right? Because I can just give you an infinite conversation I can do with Copilot. For example, who are humans, right? I can just ask them very different and very rare type of question or very absurd type of question, and of course Copilot will answer me properly. I can do the follow-up questions here. So as I told you, so far we have focused on text responses here, but Copilot can also generate images. And let's try this. I asked the Copilot, can you make an image? Sure, you can custom image in its own way. So I will just write here, create an image on a cute human cat sitting on clouds eating chocolates. And let's see how Copilot generated. So it's not instant, you have to wait few seconds to get the exact output of your image. And this is how it's look. I can always change this up. For example, I will copy the same prompt here, copy, and I will paste it here. I will write in robotic style 4K Unreal Engine. Now you can just keep giving and keep naming, you can just keep going and keep giving commands to Copilot, and it will create a really good one. For example, if I want to download, I can always download this up and I can save it in my system, right? And this is how it's look. So for example, I will ask here, create a logo. Now this is how it's look, right? And this is pretty impressive, because even though if I have a spelling mistake, automatically Copilot understand it and create the what I want. So you can refine the output by trying again if needed. In addition to text and images, you can enhance Copilot capabilities with plugins. Now to use this, I will use Copilot Web here. So I will close this up and I will just open up here. I can just go and write here Copilot Web and click on this, and you will be get back to here. Now if you don't know from where you can just get it, so when I told you we will use Microsoft Copilot Web, because on the top right side corner you will see this option. So if you just go and click on it, it will open up like this. Now you can just divide the interface here. Right now you can add a chat, so here compose, right? And if I just go and click on, for example, let's say I will just open up here, and here there's a plugins. Now you can see here there are different kind of plugins which we can use here, and here you can see there's a different kind of plugins. For example, Instacart for recipes or Kayak for flight information. One of my favorite plugin is Suno, right? So I can always search for it. For example, if I just go and search for it, I can get it here, right? And why Suno is one of my favorite, because it let Copilot compose songs. I even had it create, right? So I can show you up, all generated by Complete AI, which is here. So I will just go and click on turn this on, and you can see here start a new topic to change plugin. So once you have turned this on, I will just write here make a song on baby sharks, right? Of course I can give much more prompt here, and it will start responding here. It will just take a few seconds. Now once it has generated a complete song here, I can always play this up. So let's say I will just go and click on here.
Here's a catchy You and Me.
Now here you can see if I just play this out, it just read out, but I want to hear it like a song. So I will just go and click on sing it for me. Unfortunately, when I ask to sing it, it is not singing. In some cases I have seen that Microsoft Copilot even sing the song. But here I can just go and click on Suno, and here you can see here on the left side, it will open up Suno by using the song has been created. And I can use a same prompt here, now paste it up and click on create a song. And now it's creating the song here, and we can even hear the song. And don't worry, it is just a complete new song. There is no copyright. I can play it up here.
On the Hilux Express we're traveling fast, little baby sharks with a blast, through the stars and cosmic waves in our space.
Same goes for this one,
On the Hilux
because it just created a 2 version.
Express we're traveling fast, little baby sharks with a blast, through the stars and cosmic waves in our spaceship we are brave.
Yeah, I know, it's too interesting because I never thought that AI can create songs for us. Till now we are just using the prompt, to ask all this question, to whether to create an image, whether to create a song, or just to ask question. Now we can also give prompt by using images here. So to do this, click on add an image, and we will use the same image which we just created, and I will click on open. Now I will just write here where I can find cats. As you can see here, analyzing the image, privacy, blur, hide faces from Copilot. Now it has started giving the prompts here, as well as it is giving us a link too. Now you can see here bird view pet hub, so I can get cats from there. And if I just take my mouse, you can see this is a link. So if I click here, automatically I can come up here, right? The website comes here and I can buy the cats here. Same goes here, I can just call them. So it's just complete information from where I can find it Google, right? In the older days, we used to type pets near me, from where I can get pets or cats, right? Generally this kind of information would show, but I can just add an image and I can ask them, right? So that is a pretty interesting. Now all of these features are available for completely free, but there's also a premium plan that offers faster response and Copilot integration across all Microsoft 365 apps. Now here you can see Copilot from Microsoft 365. I can click on it and usually it will show me. For example, this is a basic plan. The prices could vary depending upon countries. Now in this application, I can get Copilot. Same way, if I pay more, of course, I'm going to get Copilot integrated in different, apps.